Meaning of instability.
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 Instability. The term instability refers to a lack of stability or the state of being unstable. In various contexts, it can refer to a lack of balance, unsteadiness, unpredictability, insecurity, or vulnerability. For example, in physics, instability describes a system that is prone to sudden and unpredictable changes in its behavior, while in economics, instability refers to a market or financial system that is volatile or subject to abrupt fluctuations. Overall, instability suggests a state of flux or uncertainty that can pose challenges and risks for individuals, organizations, or systems.